Hey everyone, welcome back to Health Nexus. Today, we're diving into healthy meal prep for weight loss. If you're ready to make meal prep easy, nutritious, and weight loss friendly, stick around. I'll guide you through each step and share tips on what foods to include, what to avoid, and how to stay consistent for real results. Let's get started. Set your goals. First things first, let's set some goals. Weight loss is unique for everyone, so it's key to know what you want from meal prep. Are you aiming to eat fewer calories, boost your protein, or cut down on sugar? This clarity helps you choose the right ingredients and stick to a plan. What to eat? Focus on low-calorie, high-protein foods like chicken breast, turkey, tofu, fish, and legumes. For carbs, go for whole grains like quinoa, oats, and brown rice. They give lasting energy. Add lots of low-calorie veggies like spinach, peppers, cucumbers, and broccoli to keep meals filling and nutrient-rich. What to avoid? Try to avoid processed foods and sugars. For instance, store-bought sauces, frozen dinners, and white bread can be full of hidden sugars and refined carbs that don't help with weight loss. What's your top weight loss goal? Comment below. I'd love to know. Choose nutrient-dense ingredients. Nutrient-dense foods are the secret weapon in weight loss. They're packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber that fill you up without adding empty calories. What to eat? For fiber, reach for berries, apples, leafy greens, chia seeds, and avocados. These keep you full longer and help curb cravings. Healthy fats like olive oil, avocado, and nuts in small amounts are great for flavor and satisfaction without adding too many calories. What to avoid? Cut back on foods with unhealthy fats or hidden sugars. Say no to processed snacks, fast food, and high sugar drinks. Avoid high-calorie condiments like ranch, mayo, and heavy cream-based sauces that add calories fast. If this is helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more meal prep tips. Plan out your meals. Here's where the fun begins. Planning. Knowing what meals you'll eat during the week takes the stress out of making healthy choices. What to eat? Try balancing your plate with a protein source, like grilled chicken or chickpeas, a fiber-rich carb like sweet potatoes or brown rice, and colorful veggies. Use this formula to make your meal both balanced and satisfying. What to avoid? Watch out for heavy sauces and high-calorie toppings. Avoid dishes that use lots of cream, butter, or cheese. They can quickly raise your calorie count. Instead, season with herbs, garlic, lemon, and a sprinkle of spices to keep it flavorful without the extra calories. Prep and portion prepping in bulk can save you time and set you up for success. Pick a day to cook, then divide everything into containers so you've got healthy meals ready to grab and go. What to eat? For easy, balanced meals, cook a big batch of lean protein, like ground turkey or tofu. Some complex carbs, like sweet potatoes or quinoa. And plenty of roasted or steamed veggies, like carrots, bell peppers, or zucchini. Portion them out so you won't overeat. What to avoid? Avoid using too much salt or sugar in your cooking. Instead, flavor with natural options like ginger, turmeric, chili flakes, and paprika. These can bring depth to your meals without extra calories. Comment below if you have any favorite spices or herbs to add flavor without extra calories. Stay consistent. Sticking with meal prep is essential for reaching your weight loss goals. Just remember, consistency is the foundation of progress. Stay committed to your prepared meals during the week. Try drinking a full glass of water before meals to feel fuller. Aim to include fiber-rich vegetables in every meal for better digestion and satiety. What to avoid? Avoid late-night snacks or high-calorie treats that throw off your progress. Instead, if you're craving a snack, try something light like carrot sticks, cucumber slices, or a handful of nuts. And that wraps up today's video on healthy meal prep for weight loss. Remember, meal prep doesn't have to be complicated. Small changes can lead to big results over time. If you enjoyed this, leave a comment with any questions or ideas you want us to cover next. Don't forget, this is Health Nexus, and I wish you the best through your health journey.